first grade friends. Today we are going to learn about adding ed or ing suffixes. Suffixes are endings of words. Let's go ahead and get started. We've previously learned about verb tenses. That means, when does it happen? When does an action happen? So, I have my friend Nicholas here to help me today. If we're using the past tense, I would say, I played with Nicholas. I have an ed ending at the end of the word played. If I'm talking about right now, the present, I would say, I play with Nicholas. The verb does not change. We also learned about the future tense. What's going to happen maybe tomorrow, in a week, in a year? And that sentence reads, I will play with Nicholas. We have some special rules when we add ed and ing to the end of words. Depending on how many letters come after a vowel in a word, it could change the spelling of the word. So I have 3 rules for you to help you remember. Number 1, just one, double the fun. If you see just one consonant after a vowel, you're going to double that consonant and add your ending. But you need to watch out for the W, X, and Y, because those ones you won't have to change anything at all. Rule number 2, C2, adding the ending is all you do. If there are 2 consonants after a vowel, you do not need to change the word at all. And rule number 3 says, silent E, drop it please. If you find that there's a silent E at the end of your word, you're going to get rid of it and add your endings. Let's take a look. Just one, double the fun. So these words are our CVC words, or consonant, vowel, consonant. First, if we're adding the ed ending, we double that second consonant and add ed. So my word becomes CVCCED. And it's going to be the same when I add the ing ending. I'm going to double that last letter and add ing. Let's read some examples together. I have the word hug. Since there is just one G after the vowel U, I'm going to add another G to the end of the word before I add the ed. So hug becomes hugged. If I'm talking about the present, it would become hugging, hugging. Jog becomes jogged. We have a double G in the middle. And jog becomes jogging in the present tense. Double G and ing. Hop becomes hopped with a double P in the middle. We also have a double P in hopping. Last, we have the word snap. We have a double P in the middle, followed by the ed. Then we have a double P followed by ing for snapped and snapping. We have our exception to the rule. Just one with W, X, and Y ending, just add the ending. So if you have a vowel that's followed by W, X, or Y, you just need to add the ending. Same with ing. So if you have a word that has a vowel followed by W, X, or Y, you will just add the ed ending or the ing ending. Our next rule is C2. Adding the ending is all you do. So these are words that begin with a consonant, have a vowel, and then have two more consonants. So, again, I have my consonant, vowel, consonant, consonant. All I need to do is just add the ed ending. Same goes for the ing ending. I have consonant, vowel, consonant, consonant, and I'm just going to add my ing ending. Let's take a look at these examples. Our first word is pack. To make it past tense with ed, it would become packed. I'm just adding the ed at the end. If I want to talk about the present tense with ing, the word would become packing. I'm just adding the ing at the end. Our next word is jump. I'll just add ed at the end to make jumped. Our present tense word is jumping. I add the ing to the end of the word to make it present tense. Our third word is melt. Past tense with ed becomes melted, and present tense with ing becomes melting. Our last word on this slide is plant. Past tense with ed becomes planted, and present tense with ing becomes planting. Our last rule is silent E, drop it please. So these are words that have consonant, vowel, consonant, and that sneaky silent E at the end. So what you need to do is you have your consonant, vowel, consonant. You're going to drop that final E and add the new ending on. So this one would be ed. For the ing, we have our consonant, vowel, consonant, drop the E, add ing. My first word is bake. With past ed, I drop the E at the end of bake and add ed to make baked. For present tense with ing, I drop the E at the end of the word and add ing. Baking. Same goes for the word tape. I drop the final E in tape and add ed to make taped. I'll drop the final E in tape and add ing to make the present tense taping. We'll drop the E at the end of joke and add ed to create joked in the past tense. Drop my final E from the end of joke and add ing to make the word joking. And our last one is the word use. I'll drop the E at the end, add ed to make the past tense used. Then I'll do the same thing for the present tense with ing. I'll take off that final E, put in ing, and I have present tense using. So to review, if there's just one, you're going to double the fun. Double that final consonant. Except for our W, X, and Y. You'll just add the ending to it. C2, add the ending is all you do. So if there are two consonants at the end of the word already, you just add the ending that you need. Silent E, drop it please. We'll take off that final silent E and we'll add our ending that we need.